So guys, I might actually not be posting some stop motion animations. The reason why is because, well, first of all, after school I have piano and a lot of things, and yeah, I usually don't have that much time to stop motion, but I'll probably be able to stop motion sometimes. I'll probably be able to stop motion at Saturday, like tomorrow, because Saturday, well, perfect time, no school, I have to do piano and a lot of things, and there's so much time for that on Saturday. And I even have enough time to make a stop motion animation. Usually usually when I make a stop motion animation on Saturday, uh, I edit it. But if it's long, well, if it if the stop motion animation is long, well, it'll probably take like until Sunday, Monday until like Wednesday or something. Which is why it takes so long to post a single stop motion animation. But yeah, if you're finding the episode 1 of my stop motion, well, I am very sorry. It is down there in the shorts. I mean, yeah, the episode 1 of my stop motion is actually in the shorts, which I do not know how to convert that into a video. So yeah, it's really sad since it's down in the shorts. So yeah, if you want to find the episode 1, just look in the shorts and scroll down. Don't scroll down too fast because I actually posted like a little bit lot of videos since I posted episode 1, episode 2, and episode, you know. But yeah, that's all. Well, goodbye. Peace.